everyone, welcome to the Heath Street Minute. 1 minute of knowledge coming at you. A minute ago we learned what stain is, but that got me thinking, what's the difference between stain and dye? So we're gonna learn that right now. As you'll recall, stain is a pigment that requires a binding agent and a solvent and a porous material in order to work. Dye, on the other hand, only requires the solvent. So that's where the similarities end. Dye typically comes in a powder form that gets mixed with the solvent and it gets broken down into tiny little molecules that go deep down into the wood and bind themselves to the wood. No binding agent needed here. What? Now because it's being broken down into such tiny little bits, it can go deep down into the wood regardless of how porous it is. That means woods like cherry and maple, which don't take stain well at all, can be dyed very easily. They're just dying to be colored.